Hi, so I'm Keenan, and what we're looking at right here is a project that I worked on with a group of other software engineers called Project Atelier. It's a full stack application. What you're seeing right now, it is the product overview. It also has a related items component, questions and answers component, as well as what we see down here below, which is ratings and reviews. Those two components, questions and answers, as well as the related items carousel, has been removed because I just wanted to highlight work that I personally have done. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here at the bottom because this is the front end portion that I contributed to the project, which is the ratings and reviews component. Um, Real basic info about it. It displays to the customer the total number of stars between 1 and 5. Customer can quickly see if people that gave a review, what they think about it, as well as showing the overall breakdown, what percentage of those reviews would recommend this product. It has the total, uh, again, between 1 up to 5 star reviews, gives them the total there. It also gives them information such as fit, length, comfort, quality for this particular product. Of course, depending on the type of item, it may have different characteristics for that. But again, the customer can quickly see whether or not, with the graded scale, what other people thought of this product. For this product, there have been a total of 119 reviews. If they'd like to, they can sort these through this drop down by relevance, helpful, newest. Let's go ahead and click newest. Keep in mind that this is, at least for the back end, this is something that other people are, I guess, still testing here. So you're going to see a bunch of reviews about just test, test, test. But back to what I did and contributed to. So again, this is the front end for that service. But yes, a customer can go ahead, continue to click more reviews and read on. If a customer feels that the review itself was helpful, then they can go ahead and click yes. And what's going to happen is it will update that on the back end. If the customer feels that this review was actually maybe not, maybe there was some language that's not acceptable, they can go ahead and report that. If it is reported successfully, I'll display that to the customer. And upon refresh, they would no longer see that. So again, that's the front end. All of this is information that's coming from a back-end service that I'm displaying to the customer, whether or not in that review they decided to recommend that product, the date, the username, as well as the star rating and other functionalities here. If I wanted to, let's go ahead and add a review. So let's click add review. Once that happens, this modal pops up. I'm going to go ahead and say Keenan, because that's who I am, Keenan A. Email address, keenana@test.com. Summary, I'm going to say that this is great. This product, great product at a great price. Wonderful item, fits great, and I'll probably buy 100 more. All right, I'm gonna definitely say that I recommend it. I'm gonna give it a 5-star rating. Again, this model, this modal, I made myself. Again, this was a front end component, and so I allow the customer to go ahead and say, for this fit, length, comfort, perfect. Everything's perfect. I should say right here, perfect. It also allows the customer to upload up to 5 pictures. So I have some pictures here that I'm gonna go ahead and add to it choose another file, open that. So the customer can upload up to 5. Oh shucks, I should have prepared better for this one. I don't have 5 pictures as you saw, but it allows up to 5. If they try to upload another one, there's going to be a message right here. Once they've added the photos that they want to add, what they're going to do is they're going to click upload photos. As long as it's successful, we should get a check mark, which we do right there. And then we're going to go ahead and submit the review. And so here's the review. Yeah, perfect. Oh, yeah, what I didn't show is that there's also the ability if the customer decides not to, add that. So like, let's say they have two images. Oh, that one's already on there. Makes sense. Can't really tell there. Okay, there we go. So they have the 2 images. Next to that, there's a Xbox. Take it out. Go ahead and do that there again. Basic things. Again, this is a very simple app. We had a very limited time frame to get this done. And so for product overview up at the top here, really the only thing that I contributed on the front end is the stars. The same stars that are rendered here are rendered here up top here, at least for the front end. But for the back end, I did create the service that upon a customer putting in a product ID here or using the related items widget, once they clicked on it, then it would update that here. But what it's doing is it's going back. I went with Postgres. I'm definitely gonna have to trim this one because it's going a little bit long. So, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for checking it out. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Testing, K6, Loader IO, New Relic. Those are really the 3 things that I use to benchmark this service here. The service itself, I didn't even say, I put it up on Amazon EC2 using Nginx. I implemented horizontal scaling to improve, number of connections as well as the robustness of the service itself. This is it. Thank you so much for your time and for checking it out. Later.